Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sarika Krishna Online Classes. This side Sarika, your maths teacher. So in this video, I'm here with chapter 15 of class 10th, probability, right? Probability, right? You might have heard this probability many times, right? Probable, right? Maybe. So probability means the possibility of occurring an event, right? So what is the possibility of occurring a head in a toss of a coin, right? There can be different examples in which you can find the possibility of that happening, that event, right? For example, tossing a coin. There are different examples: tossing a coin, tossing a dice, or taking out the card from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. There can be other examples also, right? Like tossing a coin, right? If we toss a coin, right? So in tossing a coin, we have two possibilities: either head will come or tail will come, right? So there is equally likely possibility of an event to occur, right? Equally likely of head to occur or tail, it can occur, right? Either of them, right? So there is a possibility that a head can occur here, or there can be possibility or that tail can be occur. So there are only two possibilities, right? When we talk about tossing a dice, right? We have a dice, right? What is a dice? That Ludo, right? It has six options. So tossing a dice, it one can appear in one toss, right? Or two can appear, number two, a number three can appear, a number four can appear, a number five can appear. Likewise, a number six can appear. There are six possibilities there, right? So you can find different probabilities, like finding a probability of odd numbers. Which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. What are the possibilities when you toss a coin? Or possibility of getting an even number, right? Or you can toss two coins also, right? Two coins or two dice also, right? What is the possibility in two dice, in throw of two dice? That possibility that total comes 2, total comes 5, total comes 6 in two dice. So there can be different possibilities. So you can find the probabilities of different cases, right? So that is probability, right? Whether it will rain today or it will not rain today, different possibilities, right? So now we have one more example of cards. You know that we have 52 cards. There is a deck of 52 cards, right? Four categories. uh, I'll be explaining all categories, like diamond, heart, club, and spade in general. I'm explaining this just in general now. Now, out of 52 cards, you can pick one card, right? What is that card? So what will be the possibility of that card? Suppose I'm picking a number 4 of hearts, right? What will be the possibility there, right? 1 by 52, total is 52. So there is a formula to calculate that probability, right? So formula I have written here. How to calculate the probability of E means any event, right? So probability of any event will be here number of favorable outcomes, right? Number of favorable outcomes. Which will be favorable? Suppose I am picking a number 4 from the heart. That 4 number, that will be favorable. So how many I have picked? 1, right? That is the favorable outcome, right? So there are total outcomes. How many are there? Total outcomes. Total outcomes are 52. Will be 52 in case of a card. So total outcomes in that event in which we are talking about the cards, right? So that will be the 52 will be the total, right? If we talk about tossing a single coin, what will be the total possibility? 2, because there are only two possibilities, head or tail. So if tail comes, so tail is 1. So favorable is 1 here. If I'm talking about here, 1 by 2, because the total is 2 and favorable is 1, because only one head can appear in a single toss of a coin. So 1 is favorable, 2 only, total 2 possibilities of tossing a coin. So if we talk about the dice, so total possibilities there will be 6, right? Because in dice we have 6 possibilities total. There are 6 numbers in a Ludo dice. So if we talk about a number 2 comes out, so there is one proper possibility, right? So favorable is 1, because only number 1 is appearing. So 1 is favorable, 6 is total. So the probability of getting a number 2 or 3 single number, so that will be 1 by 6. 1 favorable, क्योंकि आपने सिर्फ 2 नंबर ही एक निकाला है, that is favorable. और उसमें total possibilities कितनी है डाइस में? 6. सिंगल डाइस में 6 है, अगर आप 2 डाइस थ्रो करते हैं, यू आर टॉसिंग 2 डाइस, 6 and 6, 6 6 are 36. So then the total is 36, right? So there will be two numbers, combination can be asked again in a dice, the combination, the total comes 5. तो आप इधर 3 हो सकता है, इधर 2 here, 2 here, 3, different possibilities. So I'll be discussing the questions in detail, right? So this is just the introduction of probability. So I hope it's clear. What is probability? It is the possibility of any event to occur, right? क्या possibilities है कि कॉइन में हेड आए, क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज है कि नंबर 5 आ जाए डाइस में, वो पॉसिबिलिटीज, दैट इज द probability, right? So probability का एक और एग्जांपल है कार्ड्स, 52 cards in a deck, well shuffled, right? So you pick one card or you pick two cards, that will be the favorable outcomes कि आपने 1 निकाला, 2 निकाला, क्या निकाला, right? So वो favorable हो गया. अब total हो गया आपका 52, right? Favorable का means if you are picking a king, so there are 4 kings, right? You are picking up one king, right? Like that, different combinations, right? So I'll be explaining all questions in detail. So this is just the introduction कि probability क्या होता है. It is just the possibility. We are calculating the possibility of any event to occur, right? So now further let's see what's the